Hello students, welcome to BITSAT forum. This is Brahmam, your reasoning faculty. Today our chapter is figure matrix. Okay, so matrix means a table, we can say, with some rows and columns. So some rows and columns are given some boxes, right? Some boxes are given with some figures. There will be some figures in these boxes, and one box will be in the question mark, and that box can be in anywhere. It is not mandatory to give the question mark always here only. One figure will be missing here, and in this matrix we have to observe the pattern either horizontally, or we need to find the pattern vertically to get the answer figure. Okay, if it is horizontally, this figure and this figure are following some pattern, and this figure to this figure is also following some pattern, and the same pattern must be followed here also, and the same, by following the same pattern we should get the answer here. Okay, in the same way vertical also, right? Let us solve the questions. Yeah, see here, you may go vertically or horizontally depending upon the question, right? Here, which is better to use? Yes, here it is horizontal is better. There is a triangle here, a line and circle are added, and then the triangle got removed. Or we can also say this is column 1, right? This is column 2, column 3, column 2 and column 3. Column 2 equal to column 1 plus column 3, right? Or we need column 3, column 3 equal to column 2 minus column 1. That means from this figure, if you delete this figure, you will get this figure, figure 3. From column 2 figure, if you remove column 1 figure, you will get column 3 figure. So this is the logic for this question. And observe the same, whether the second row is also following the same pattern or not. From this one, if you delete this one, are you getting this one? Yes, you are getting, because the diagonal will be deleted here, and the square box will be deleted and will remain with the plus shape only. In the same way, we should apply the same logic on the third figure. From this figure, if you delete this figure, so this square shape will be deleted, and in the bottom curve shape will be deleted. So delete that part, and we will be remaining with the into mark only. So into mark is the answer, that is figure 4. Figure 4 is the answer, right? But figure 4 is in which option? Option D is the answer. In this question, A is 1, B 2, C 3, D 4 are given, but it is not mandatory to give the given the same order. Okay, figures can be jumbled. That means option A can be third figure, and option B can be second figure, option C can be first figure, right? In that way, figures can be jumbled in the options. Next question. Yes, here also we may go vertically or horizontally. So which is better? Yes, horizontal is better to go. There is a plus shape, and then there is an into shape inserted, and again into shape is deleted, then circles are placed in the middle, in between the plus shape. That means in each figure, this figure is in existence. This figure is there. In the second figure, along with the plus shape, there is an into, and in the third figure also, along with the plus shape, there are 4 circles. That means first figure should exist in all. So here also diamond shape is there, and cross mark means into mark is there, and then circles. Here also into mark, for this figure into mark is there, and then into mark should not be there. Circles must be there in the 4 corners. So which option? Yes, figure 2 is the answer. Figure 2 is there in which option? C. Option A is having 2 now. Option A is having figure 2 now. So the answer is option A, figure 2. Correct? Next one. Here circles are inside, it cannot be. There are only 2 circles, and here also only 2 circles. Next. Here you can take the horizontal logic or vertical logic, right? If you combine this figure and this figure, you will get this figure, correct? Because these 2 lines are there, and first figure consists of this extra line. Okay. Can I say column 1? This is column 1, column 2 and column 3. Column 1 plus column 2 equal to column 3. But don't confirm the logic with only one row, right? By taking only one row, don't confirm the logic. Just check the same, whether it is following or not, in the second figure as well. In the second figure, if you observe, this is the first figure and it is the second. And if you combine these two, you should get this one. If you combine first and second, you should get this one, right? But there is no this line. In the given figure, this line is not available. So then where this line has gone? Okay. So we should take one more thing, column 1 plus column 2, column 1 plus column 2 along with this one, and common element deleted, common element deleted, right? This line is there in both the figures, that's why it got deleted, and rest both are taken here. Okay, next this one, third row, this figure and this figure, there is no common part also. If we combine these two, we'll get this shape. So that shape is available in figure 1. Figure 1 is the answer. Figure 1 is the answer, but figure 1 is there in option B. Option B is the answer. Next one. Circle is divided into two circles, two semicircles horizontally, and given names 1 and 2. Let us go vertically for this, because all circles are available in the first column only. Okay, then top part got removed here. There is no top part, and then again top part is placed in the same place, but with the rotation, right? But here we can take it as a rotation as well as image also, no? If you rotate this one, if you rotate this one by 180 degree, we will get this figure. Sorry, if you rotate this one by 180 degree, we will get this figure, correct? And not only this one, if you take the image of this one, right, we will get this figure. So means we don't know whether we have taken water image of this one or a rotation of this one. Let us confirm with the second figure, second column. Okay, so it is divided into two parts horizontally. Next, top part got removed. Yes, correct. And it is rotated by 180 degree clockwise, or if we take the image also, water image also, you will get the same figure, this one only. Yes, so both the columns, first column and second column are following this logic only. From first to second, it is rotation by, first to second it is rotation by 180 degree clockwise, and then water image. Here also top part is removed here, and if you rotate this one by 180 degree rotation, 180 degree rotation of this one will give you the same figure, right? Correct. Next, if you take the water image of this one, you will get this figure. But here these two figures are not the same one, right? These two figures are different. So what is placed on the top of 2, we don't know. Let us check. This is figure 2. If you have used 180 degree clockwise logic, you should keep the same figure here on the top, figure 1, or this is figure 2. And if you apply the logic of water image, and on the top it must be this figure must be on the top. So which is there in our option? Oh, unlucky, here both are available in the options. So figure 1, 180 degree rotated and then kept it on the figure 2, that means figure 1 can be the answer. Next, taken the water image of figure 1 and kept it on the top, means it can be, sorry, not figure 4, it is figure 3 can also be the answer. So this is a wrong question as per the options, because with both proper logics we are getting two answers. So figure 1 can be the answer as well as figure 3 can also be the answer. There must be one more option like both figure 1 and figure 3, right? Okay, going to the next question. Yes, let us check horizontally or vertically. Okay, let us check horizontally. How we are getting the third figure from first two figures? Circle and circle is common. Yes, we have circle here, and in the center dot is there and dot is there. Yes, common part, dot is also there. This line is not available in this. This line is not available in this. There is an horizontal line, diagonal line, diameter line is also not available here, and this shape is also not available here. But see, this part is common in both the figure, so that's why that part is in existence. Okay, so overall the logic is common parts are taken. Circle, that's why circle. A dot in the middle, that's why dot in the middle, and this line is common, that's why that line is in existence. See, there is no circle here, that's why circle is not taken. And there is a center dot is there, and this curve, that curve is in existence. Line, horizontal line is not there here, and curved lines also, other curved lines also not there. So the logic is common parts of column 1 and column 2 are given in column 3. Okay, here common parts are, there is a center dot. Okay, center dot must be there, and here this curve is not available, this curve not available, circle not available. That means only dot must be there in the middle. Dot is there in the middle in figure 3. Figure 3 is there in option C. Okay, yeah, check this one and try to get the logic. Here also let us take the horizontal logic. Yes, see, if we combine first and second, okay, in this part is available and extra part is here to complete this one. Yes, we are getting this one, correct. Next, that means column 1 plus column 2, column 1 plus column 2 equal to column 3. Next, this part, yes, here it is there, and this part here it is there, but only half. So see, this half is not available and this half also not available. Why? Because again we got the same, we have got this type of logic in our previous questions, one of the questions, that is column 1 plus column 2 equal to column 3. Along with that, common parts are deleted. This part is common in both the figures, that's why that part got deleted, deleting the common parts. Common parts deletion, right? Yeah, apply the same thing here. This part I'm taking here, yes, and this part are common. That means this part must not be there in our answer figure. Okay, so that means only this line will existence. Okay, this line along with this line, okay, because this part is common in both figures. So which figure is having this one? Figure 2. Figure 2 is there in which option? Option C is the answer. Next question. There is a leaf shape and horizontally I'm taking. Bottom part got removed and then top part also got removed. Okay. Next, here adding the elements. There are 2 leaves. One more leaf is added and one more leaf is added. So either successively increasing the number of elements or successively decreasing the number of elements. Here there is a curved line and circle type is added on the top, and the same circle type should be added in the bottom, but in the same pattern in which it is available, right? So not in a reverse pattern. That cannot be the answer. And here the existing figure is also not available, and here there are some extra parts. Then answer is figure 1. Figure 1 is there in which option? Option D. Next, okay, star shape, 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles. Circle, small circle, 1 circle, 2 circles, and then 3 circles. There is a square, small circle, 1 small square, 2 small squares, and 3 small squares must be there beside a big square. Beside a big square, 1, 2, 3. So figure 1 is the answer, option A. Next one. Yes, observe this one. First figure is this one, second is into, and third figure is this one. If you observe, if you mix these two, if you combine these two, we will get this shape, into mark along with this line. But this line is common in both, that is got deleted. If you delete this one, yes, we have this figure. So that means we have used the similar logic in one of our previous questions, that is column 1 plus column 3 equal to column 2, column 1 plus column 3 equal to column 2, and common parts deleted. Common part deletion. Similarly, here this just a second, here this part is available, means this part, and this part is available, sorry, here we should check this one. This part is available and this part, right? But this part is common in both the figures, that means that must be deleted. So top leaf part should be deleted. So that means yes, we got the same figure, this one, correct, this one. In the same way here also, in the third, in our question figure, let us check this one. Combining this one and this one, common part deleted. Yeah, Even you can take this one also, column 1 plus column 2 equal to column 3 with the common part deleted. This one also we can use. Here also, which is common in these two? Up arrow, this is common. That means this will be deleted. Top right arrow cannot be deleted because it is not available. Bottom left arrow cannot be deleted. Left arrow not deleted, right arrow not deleted. Means left arrow, right arrow together will make both side arrow, and this diagonal arrow is also making one more both sided arrow. So which is our answer figure? Figure 3 is the answer figure. Figure 3 is available in which option? Option A. Next one. Let us check it vertical or horizontal. Yes, it will work in both the directions. Here there is no mixing case. Number of lines. So see, extra lines 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, then 3 lines, and then 2 lines. Here 3 lines, 2 lines, and 4 lines. Means every horizontal means every row is maintaining the successive numbers, or 2, 3, 4 we should maintain. In the third row, if you see 2 number is available and 4 number is available, that means 3 lines must be there. 3 lines are there in figure 1 only. There are 4 lines here, 2 lines here, 4 lines here. Then figure 1 is the answer, that is option D. Next one. Both up arrow. Next, right side become down arrow. And then right side kept original and left side become down arrow. Similarly, here also 2 arrows are there. Right side will be inverted, and right side kept original and the left side must be inverted. Okay, here in our answer figure, 2 arrows, right side must be inverted. Right side, if you invert, it will become top arrow, downward arrow become upward arrow. So means both upward arrow is our answer figure, that is figure 1. Figure 1 is there in option A. Next question. There is a bird here. If you see row wise, bird is eating 1 seed, 2 seeds, then 3 seeds. And along with the rotation, means along with the inversion, vertical means in this way, inverted this way, inverted about a vertical line. Similarly, here also, this is inverted and again it is inverted. Here also, the jug, yes, the jug holder, okay, is on the right side. In our answer figure, it must be on the left side, and again in the third figure, it is on the right side only. So left side holder is available in figure 2 and figure 4. Next, empty one, fulfill. That means our answer figure must be half filled. Half filled figure is there in only one option, one figure, that is figure 2. Here no need to check the position of holder also, right? Next question. One triangle becomes 2 triangles and one line become 2 lines horizontally in the opposite location, correct? This diagonal become this diagonal, but the lines are in the opposite location. There is one line here, that means in our answer figure there must be 2 lines here on this side. 2 lines on this side is there in only one option, that is one figure, that is figure 3. Figure 3 is there in option D. Okay, next. Yeah, vertical shading, horizontal shading, plane, vertical, horizontal, plane, there must be vertical shading. Vertical shading figure is there in only one figure, that is figure 4. Figure 4 means option A. Next one. If you combine first and second figure, this line is common in both and these two are different, and the different parts are deleted. Earlier in our question, common parts are deleted after combining, and here different parts are deleted. Uncommon parts are deleted. Column 1 plus column 2 equal to column 3 are with only common parts, correct? Here also this part is common in both, that's why. And this complete line will be there in our answer also, that is figure 3. Figure 3 is there in option C. Next one. See the bottom row. The upper part is separated and it is inverted and it is fixed with this one. So if you fix, it will complete the circle. Similarly, upper part is inverted and it is fixed here. So if you fix the upper part by inverting, you should get this figure, but this figure is not there in the options. So that means we can say the logic like this: using these two parts, which figure can be formed? That will be our answer figure. Using these two parts, we can make a circle, and using these two parts, we can make a hexagon with 6 sides. But that figure can be like this, or it can be like this also, no? So that means our answer may be figure 1, or it can be figure 2 also. This is also a grace question, right? So figure 1 is correct and figure 2 is also correct, because we don't know whether it is rotated or not rotated using circle, because circle can be rotated by how much angle it may be rotated, it will look like the same. But if we apply the same logic in the above figure, we may get figure 1 or figure 2. That means option B can be the answer, option C can also be the answer. Next one. So in this part is kept and rest of the part deleted. Okay. Or from here to here, if you see, these extra curved lines are added, or inverted curved lines are added here. For this one, the into mark, if you complete the parts, you will get this figure, right? Yeah. Next question. This one. There is a rectangular shape, circle shape, and the triangle shape. Triangle, rectangle, circle, circle, triangle, and rectangular shape is missing here. A rectangular shape is there in which figure? Figure 1. So figure 1 must be our answer. That is option A. Okay. Next question. So there is a stick man here. Okay, see, on the first, let us check the head. Triangle, circle, square. Circle, triangle, okay, but square is missing. So figure 3 cannot be, because square face we want. Next. Hands are upwards, downwards, and horizontal. Upwards, horizontal, and downward hands must be there. This cannot be. And this cannot be, because there are some extra parts. So that means figure 2 is our answer figure. Figure 2 is there in option C. Next question. Yes, if you observe horizontally, only common parts are taken, right? No, it's not the only common parts. Deletion of the elements. If we come from the extreme outermost to innermost, if our movement is from outermost to inner movement, first this layer got removed here, from here to here. Yes. And next this layer got removed. This layer got removed. Okay. And the leftover is this figure. In the same way, second row also, if you see, first outermost layer got removed, and then this layer got removed. Similarly, in third figure, outermost layer got removed and this layer got removed, will remain with the circle only. Circle is in figure 4. Figure 4 is in option A. So practice more and more number of questions. All the best.